Okay, this is February 1st, 3:42 in the afternoon. The snow is coming down pretty good and the wind is howling and it's freezing out here. Now, we had this all cleaned up like 10 minutes ago and everything is blown into the pathways. So, okay, this is, like I say, about 3:42 on February 1st. Okay, this is 8:40, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Quite a bit of change from yesterday when I took the video. And we're just going to pan over here, and we have drifts that completely block our pathway. I mean, I can hardly get out of the door. And it is freezing. It's supposed to drop down to 15 below tonight. And we've got our work cut out for us trying to clear this all off. And there you have it. That drift there is our greenhouse. And that's it.